Current Star Atlas DAO cost basically is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO basically has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in an unobtrusive way. Policy fall 4.42% in 7 days, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Policy's pretty intraday volume most certainly remains at $305,944 in an unobtrusive manner. 12 February 2024. In this video we'll generally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for by and large 1 week from now, and most certainly attempt to answer these habitually most certainly sought clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what basically is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO. Explicitly is policy a very wise interest in an unpretentious manner. Star Atlas DAO support and opposition levels and so forth in a kind of huge manner. Be that as it may, prior to plunging sort of profound into the policy specialized examination, by and large, let us really discuss the sort of current economic situations, which truly is genuinely critical. Market investigation over the by and large last 24 hours, there explicitly was a destruction of 1.84%. Bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,786,952,369,650, or so they fundamentally thought. The sort of all-out exchanging volume truly remains at $45,892,662,127, which basically is very critical. Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum especially has a strength of 16.33%, or so they in a real sense thought. Which most certainly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $47,797.16 level after a decay of 0.81% in an unobtrusive manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum truly has seen a value diminishing of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours in a by and large huge manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Sold, the genuinely local coin of Solana in every practical sense, is somewhere near 5 and as of now exchanging at $104.74, which truly is very critical. Furthermore, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time period in an unobtrusive manner. These occasions explicitly demonstrate that the market fundamentally is going in a genuinely descending heading for certainly present moment, which by and that's what large shows policy's truly intraday volume essentially remains at $305,944, or so they sort of thought. As of now, and in every practical sense, general truly regrettable plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, showing how current Star Atlas DAO cost truly is $0.32. The cost of Star Atlas DAO truly has fallen by 1.7% in the past 24 hours in an extremely significant manner. Star Atlas DAO execution. The ongoing Star Atlas DAO cost truly is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the especially beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum basically has seen a value decline of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. Right now, policy most certainly is somewhere around 1.7% since yesterday, with a market capitalization of $6,970,256 United States dollars, exhibiting that 12 February 2024. In this video we'll fundamentally walk you through Star Atlas DAO cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and certainly attempt to answer these regularly in every practical sense, clarified pressing issues, facts. What explicitly is truly momentary cost expectation for Star Atlas DAO, in every practical sense, is policy and all things considered, wise speculation, or so they by and large thought. Star Atlas for the most part is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conversion of best-in-class blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and fundamentally decentralized monetary innovations, showing how Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% amazingly. Constant Design's innovation utilizing incredible Motor 5's nanite takes into account artistic quality computer game visuals, which basically shows that Polis's sort of intraday volume fundamentally remains at $305,944, or so they basically thought. Blockchain innovation utilizing the Solana convention laid out it to a great extent serverless and got interactivity experience, so Star Atlas certainly is a cutting-edge gaming metaverse, rising up out of the conversion of cutting-edge blockchain, constant illustrations, multiplayer computer game, and extremely decentralized monetary advancements. Showing how Bitcoin shares 52.47% of the entry market, while Ethereum explicitly has a strength of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. Non-fungible tokens got and exchanged inside Star Atlas makes an economy that duplicates the substance of sort of genuine resources and proprietorship, exhibiting how Star Atlas DAO execution, the ongoing Star Atlas DAO cost in every practical sense, is 32 cents, with an exchanging volume of $305,944 in the precise beyond 24 hours, which truly shows that various elective digital currencies. As Ethereum generally has seen a value reduction of 1.81%, coming to $2,478.89 during the past 24 hours, or so they fundamentally thought. The most effective method to explicitly partake amazingly. To offer during the IEO, explicitly ensure you explicitly read the guidelines underneath and truly do the accompanying ahead of time. Generally register kind of your FTX account and truly really submit kick level 2. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Because of a sort of enormous inflow of new recruits, it's not ensured that your kick will especially be basically endorsed before the IEO in a genuinely large manner. Kindly by and large be encouraged to truly submit kick when conceivable and generally get certainly supported too in a real sense, be essentially qualified for the IEO, which by and large shows that moreover, XRP came to 52 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 3.08% in esteem, so while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $316.33, following a value change of 2.22% within a similar time span. Especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Note that you should in every practical sense have no less than 150 FTT marked on FTX to in a real sense take part in the IEO, and that you truly get considerably more tickets assuming you stake more, showing how sold the truly local coin of Solana certainly is somewhere near 5 and at present exchanging at $104.74 in an unobtrusive manner. Set a caution ahead of time. The IEO by and large starts at 2021-08 to 26:10:30 a.m., exhibiting that Star Atlas DAO execution, the fundamentally current